Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable vertical tabs in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser launches and you can see your homepage or new tab screen, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll notice three horizontal lines there, which is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three lines to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down menu, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Brave's main settings page where you can customize your browsing experience. Once you're on the settings page, you'll see a navigation panel on the left side of the screen. This panel contains different categories for organizing all of Brave's settings options. From this left panel, click on Appearance. This section is where you can customize how your browser looks and feels, including themes, toolbar options, and of course, tab layouts. After clicking on Appearance, you'll land on a page with various visual customization options. Now, scroll down through this page until you find the option labeled Use Vertical Tabs. This might take a moment as there are several settings above it, so keep scrolling until you spot it. Vertical tabs are a great feature if you tend to have many tabs open at once, as they display along the side of your browser rather than across the top, giving you more horizontal screen space and making it easier to see tab titles at a glance. When you locate the Use Vertical Tabs option, you'll see a toggle switch right beside it. Click on this toggle to turn it on. Once you enable it, your tabs will immediately move from their traditional horizontal position at the top of the browser to a vertical sidebar on the left side of the window. This gives you a cleaner, more organized browsing experience, especially when working with multiple tabs simultaneously. And that's it. You've successfully enabled vertical tabs in Brave browser, giving you a more organized and efficient way to manage your open tabs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.